Hello, friend. Nice to meet you. I'm Lahu. Today, in this session, I will teach you the Lahu consonants. Learning Lahu writing skill is easy because the Lahu writing skill use alphabet-based sound English. If you and friend know English is more easy. The thing you should do is remember the sound and the metric of your Lahu language. In this video, learn Lahu language is Lahu practice writing skill. First, we can start with in this how to sound this consonant. I will show you, and please listen me. Ga. This is sound. Ga. Ga. And this is ta. Ta. This character sounds. Ga. Ta. 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 Ka. 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 Ta. This is two is different is one word. Ka. 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 Ha. Ha. This is word is ha. This word is ga. 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 This word is gra. 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 Mean chicken. Gra. This verb means chicken. Gra. It same like water, and Lahu is ga. Ga. Water. What? What? Ga. Ga. What? Ga. What? And this is ng in Lahu is nga. Nga. Mean bird. Birds. Nga. 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 And this verb ni. 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 Mean heart. 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 Ni. And we will go next verb. This verb cha. 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 This verb cha. 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 This verb is sha. Sa. This verb is ya. 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 And we will go next verb. This verb is ta. 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 This Lahu consonant. Ta. You must sound ta. Ta. It is da, da. The D in English and the D in Lahu, da, the same in English. Na, the same in English. This word is Lahu sound, na. This is the la, L in English. In Lahu, la, the same. This verb ba, ba, ba. This is verb pa, pa, pa. This is verb ba, ba. The sound in Lahu, ba, like English. Ba. Ma, Lahu sound, ma. This is verb v, and we go to next section. This is hard and easy. F, Lahu sound is f, f. This word, it is one syllable, one consonant. F. Go to next word. V. This word is v. It is moon. Lahu sound is moon. It is z, and this verb and this verb no, sorry, z, in Lahu sound, z, and this verb sharp and less in big H sharp, and this no H, and this verb is ya. Please and so like me, follow me. Ya. This verb ha, H, like the English. Ha. This verb va. I think it in the section, yes. Same with this verb, and sorry for that. Va. Same this verb. Fa. This is fa. This is sound fa. And this verb are in English. In Lahu language, Lahu don't have this verb. But in this day, you in English and Thai or more for this word hara. Lahu sao hara. 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 And this word what. What. When you write in English, what. 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 And I will sound these consonants again. Please follow me. Ka, 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 ga, ga, nga, nya, nya, nya. Here we go. Next section. Cha, 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 sha, sha, ya, ya. And we will go to next. Ta, 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 na, la, pa, 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 ma. I will delete this because FA next. Four, 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 more. Z, 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 s, z. Oh, sorry. Ha, va, ra. Oh, sorry. Fa, fa, hara, wa. And hopeful is Lahu consonant. I'll show you how to sound. If you notice, please share and watch more time to sound like the Lahu people. Lahu ya. Obu uja. Thank you so much for watching.